watch just how quickly you can create a quote using Zigaflow. First of all, click New Quotation, and we're going to pick this standard quote type. This is now going to bring us into the quoting interface, and we can pick an existing customer. If we have more, we could use the search filter here. We can also add new customer in this screen without ever coming out of here. I'm going to pick this existing customer, and I'm then going to pick a specific contact, and I'm just going to pop in here a description which can be used as like a reference for checking back through previous quotations. So now that we've done that, if we move on to the next area in the quote, we can start adding items or product services onto the quotation. We're going to give this section a name and start adding products. So we can click this Add Items button here. This is going to take us into our item list with all the products that we've already got preloaded onto the system. And we're going to start adding these in. So we can search by category. So if we click on computing, I can choose to add a laptop on here. If we remove all the category filters, again, I can come into here and apply a freehand search. So I'm just going to click on a cooker and a washing machine. I'll just search for washing machine. Just going to add one of these in as well. Now, once these have added, we'll just close this down. This brings us back into the quoting interface. As you can see here, when we've added the laptop, the system has automatically added an optional 27-inch LED monitor. This just comes down to how the system is set up. So, if we now want to send this to the customer, click Preview PDF and Email. This brings us into the preview screen where we can do a quick review on the quotation, the content, make sure that we're happy with everything before we click Email, which we've now been brought into the email preview, which has got the email address of the contact. You can also see here that it's got a pre-set out email template. You can have multiple templates set up in the system, and you can also edit these as well. And then we're just going to click send, and we are done. That's the quotes now being sent to the customer. If we come back, you'll now see as well that the status of the quote has changed to sent on here as well.